In Arizona, there are over 500,000 veterans.
Many of the veterans that we see have come back from multiple deployments, the more recent vets that are returning from Afghanistan and Iraq.
Increasingly, we see a number of these veterans returning from these wars with mental health issues. The courts are seeing an increasing number of veteran offenders.
With these veterans returning from their multiple deployments, we thought it best to have a veterans court to assist them, make sure that we garner all of our resources and provide one forum for them to be able to actively participate in their treatment and actively, hopefully, again, successfully complete their probation.
A veterans court is a therapeutic court. It has a non-adversarial approach. It's designed to integrate alcohol and drug counseling along with mental health counseling with the criminal justice processing. It promotes sobriety, recovery, and stability.
Veterans Court was started January of 2011, and we had our first court hearings. We had approximately 14 people on the calendar. Since we've started, we've had about 175 probationers go through.
It's not designed to relieve the veterans of their criminal responsibility, but the purpose of Veterans Court is to provide tools for success. Provide the veterans the opportunity to have drug and alcohol rehabilitation, to provide for the veterans mental health support, and to coordinate resources with the Veterans Administration and other resources that are available to veterans that sometimes aren't available within the county.
They've laid their lives on the table for us, and I believe they're owed it. They're not given any special treatment, but there's more understanding of what they've gone through.
Having these veterans who are not receiving this kind of care in the community creates issues, and unless they're treated, they progressively become worse. We try to help resolve these issues when they come in contact with the court for the first time, so they're not coming back over and over again.
It's the right thing to do to engage the veterans in our system.
We're trying to help them regain their lives.
There is nothing more pleasing than to see an individual who served their country come before me, that they have turned around their life, completed their probation successfully, and returned back to the community. It's been the most enjoyable court I've ever covered in our system.
This helps the community, this helps the families, this helps the courts. I think it's a win-win for everybody, but most importantly it helps these men and women who served our country.